A recent Australian study examined 315 social commentaries and found that more than 50% included racialised opinion pieces. I'm Bron Williams, the bias specialist. What this study shows is that covert racism is alive and well in Australia. By covert racism, I mean the racism that is often unintentional and overlooked, that happens casually through our attitudes and words, but it is as important and as damaging as the most overt forms of racism that we have seen here in Australia and around the world. Covert racism comes in many shapes and in many forms. Indigenous Australians suffer the impact of covert racism when they are consistently portrayed as victims rather than people with intelligence, agency and purpose. The victim narrative reduces Indigenous people and keeps them in the box of less than. Even the lack of diversity in the media sends a covert racial message that only white people are acceptable in the public eye, and the people of colour are not to be trusted with bringing the news or delivering accurate critique or valid opinion. Covert racism is an example of the way in which bias lies at the heart of all inequality and injustice.